Decentralized finance yield can be earned by providing liquidity on decentralized exchanges. This is done by adding your assets to the liquidity pool and then selling them when the price is right. Yield is calculated based on the difference between the buy and sell price. Let's break it down. What is a decentralized exchange and why are you able to earn for providing liquidity? A decentralized exchange is an exchange that is not centrally controlled by any one party. This means that users have more control over their own funds. Decentralized exchanges are often more secure than centralized exchanges as they are not reliant on a single point of failure. Decentralized exchanges need liquidity to function properly. Liquidity on decentralized exchanges represents the ability of users to easily buy and sell assets on the platform without affecting the overall market price. In other words, high liquidity on a decentralized exchange means that there are always enough buyers and sellers available to trade assets quickly and at stable prices. Liquidity is essential for any market to function efficiently. When you provide liquidity, you are effectively lending out your assets to other users of the exchange. By doing so, you earn a small amount of interest on your assets. There are a few different ways to provide liquidity on a decentralized exchange. One way is to become a market maker. Another way to provide liquidity is to participate in a liquidity pool. This involves depositing assets into a pool, which is then used to provide liquidity to the exchange. Users who participate in liquidity pools typically earn a share of the fees generated by the exchange in return for providing liquidity. Finally, some decentralized exchanges allow users to stake their assets to help provide liquidity. This typically involves locking up assets for a certain period of time in return for a share of the fees generated by the exchange. DZ offers you an easy way to generate yield by providing liquidity across a range of trading pairs. No more jumping across different websites and blockchains to execute or manage a strategy. Do it all from one place at DZ.